As autumn rolls in and temperatures drop, many drivers face a critical decision. Should you switch to winter tires? Today, we're exploring this question by comparing two Hankook models, the Kinergy Eco 2, a summer tire, and the Winter I cept RS3, a Middle European winter tire designed with a focus on wet and snow performance. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Hankook Kinergy Eco 2 set as the reference point at 100%. Every meter matters in wet braking. The Kinergy Eco 2 stops at 28.6 meters, while the Winter I cept RS3, despite its snow focus, is only 2.5 meters behind, a tighter gap than expected due to its wet focus design for Middle European winters. The Winter I cept RS3 shines in wet handling, completing laps 2.8 seconds faster than the Kinergy Eco 2. In aquaplaning, the Winter I cept RS3 achieves a slipping speed of 91.5 kilometers per hour, surpassing the Kinergy Eco 2 value of 88.5 kilometers per hour, offering superior stability in heavy rain. On snow, the differences are stark. The Winter I cept RS3 stops 20 meters shorter than the Kinergy Eco 2 at 17.6 meters, highlighting its winter-specific design. In snow traction, the Winter I cept RS3 reaches 40 kilometers per hour in just 5.4 seconds, nearly twice as fast as the Kinergy Eco 2 time of 12.7 seconds. Snow handling follows suit as the Winter I cept RS3 completes laps 33 seconds faster. Winter technology truly makes the difference in cold, snowy conditions. In dry conditions, the Kinergy Eco 2 takes the lead, stopping 7 meters shorter than the Winter cept RS3 at 37.2 meters and completing laps nearly 2 seconds faster, with a perfect 10 in dry handling versus the RS3 rating of 8.5. The Kinergy Eco 2 highlights why switching back to summer tires is essential as seasons change. Comfort and efficiency are also considerations. The Kinergy Eco 2 scores slightly higher in comfort, offering a quieter, smoother ride at 9.8 out of 10, compared to the Winter I cept RS3 rating of 9.2. In rolling resistance, the Kinergy Eco 2 is more efficient, with a lower resistance coefficient value of 7.67, which can help reduce fuel costs or extend EV range. In summary, summer tires like the Hankook Kinergy Eco 2 excel in dry and wet conditions. But as temperatures drop, the Hankook Winter I cept RS3 enhanced snow performance make it essential for safe winter driving. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.